Hey guys, and welcome back to Honeycomb Manila. My name is Keo, and this is, of course, one of the channels where we talk a lot about drinks, we talk a lot about art, but today we're talking about sneakers. We like talking about sneakers as well. And we have something very special that came in from Jordan Manila, Nike Philippines. Of course, the guys over at Jordan Manila, good friends of Honeycomb. And let's see what's in here. So this is the bag. I actually already took the box out of the bag, but I want to show you guys. This is a red bag. Jumpman on one side and says Manila on the other, and the little hang tag with the Jumpman Jordan Manila tag. And we're going to focus on this box here. So this came in the mail, and it is a special box. I haven't looked inside yet, but it is nice and shiny. And I don't know if you can see, it has a Jumpman on the top in this like taupe color. It says Jumpman Manila. And then there's a texture on it that, I don't know, it's like an aggregate, like a black cement maybe. Not quite elephant print, but it does have a very nice luxurious feel to it. Nothing else on either side. It is a nice big heavy box. Let's open it up. So we flip open the top, and on the inside, on the top cover, it says Jumpman in like a little spot lamination. So this area, this green area is matte, but the Jumpman is shiny. And here inside the box, we see immediately there's a card. Okay, so the card, flip it over. It says Jordan Manila 1-year anniversary, one and only in Southeast Asia, one Jumpman family. Thank you for flying with us. So yeah, this is the anniversary box, or the anniversary kit, I guess, for Jordan Manila. And yeah, let's see what else is in here. Where should we start with? Let's start with the stuff we can see. So right away, there are some brown laces and like a custom kit. This custom kit is something that we actually did some coverage already on YouTube, and you can see the link up here or down in the comments down below. Maybe we'll pin a comment with a link. But we did a video on these custom kits that you can get with these lace aglets and the doubrays. What do you call this? These are the doubrays. So this one, I guess because it's Jordan Manila, the doubrays say MNL. And then up here, we have the lace aglets. So we did an entire video on this. So if you want to see that, you can on our YouTube page. And you can also see how to attach these aglets to a pair of sneakers. And then there's a paper bag. Some nice 23 paper. And oh, nice. So we have one of the custom 23 t-shirts from Jordan Manila. So it says Jordan Manila 23. It's a large. Yes, it's my size. And these are, of course, actually made inside the Jordan store. So they have a bunch of blank Jordan shirts that you can choose from, black, white, size, and then you can get designs printed. And many times these are done by local artists. There's no marking here that says which local artist this is. So maybe if you can, I'll tag it in the comments down below. Nice custom 23 design. So this entire top part of the pack seems to be all custom 23. And there's some ribbons here on the side, so I'm going to pull that whole thing up and put it to the side. And inside we have some more 23 paper. And it looks like these are sneakers. Oh, look at that. Inside we have the Jordan 3 Camo. I believe these are unreleased. These are supposed to be coming out in a few more days. Nice. All right, so let's see if there's anything else in there. Yeah, you have the other pair, of course, right? They're not going to send just one shoe. And that's everything that's in the package. All right, let's close this up for a bit. So this is my first time to see the Jordan 3 Camo, and you can see it comes with a number of things. First, it comes with these patches. Let's open this up. And you have here some Nike Air patches. I wonder where they stick, or if you're supposed to iron them on or something. So Nike Air, 2 of them, and they feel like Velcro. So where do they stick? I don't know where to stick these. Someone has to explain to me where these Velcro Nike Air patches go. Yeah, I can't really figure out where this is supposed to stick on the shoe. Maybe it's not supposed to stick. Oh, whatever. It's not supposed to stick on the shoe. Anyway, so we got the Nike Air patches. We're going to figure that out. Some extra laces, which is cool. So basically, you get the laces that are inside the sneaker, which are these black laces. And then you get an extra pair of orange laces, an extra pair of like a light brown lace. And then in the custom kit, we also had the dark brown laces, or this kind of like a milk chocolate lace to pick from. Now the sneaker itself, my first time to see it, it's very, very mismatched. Like I'm guessing that the theme of this is kind of like camo from different places and different militaries, maybe different kinds of outfits. So you see that the use of materials is quite varied. There is some of this ripstop material, but it's mixed up with some more like canvas style, like heavy canvas. There's like a herringbone canvas here and like a wool over there. Very nappy suedes on the back. This is kind of that synthetic felt thing. Like you have mismatched heel areas, both made of nappy suede. And then that carries on towards the toe where it's also mismatched. This is kind of cool. I wonder if sneaker to sneaker, they're also the same because so much mismatching going on here. On the sole, you have the classic Air Jordan 3 outsole with some hits of orange, a pop of color on the bottom, which you don't really get on the top. The only place you see the orange is over here on the back of the tongue. The tongue is the inside of the tongue is in like an orange satin. And then the labels that usually have the Air Jordan written in reverse just have camo. It just has a pattern. Over here it's like a herringbone green, and then here it's like a stripe camo. Not so familiar with that. And oh, nice. You get that really nice polyurethane insole for the Jordan 3. Let's see. This is a US size 10. So I'm usually a 9.5, so I hope that these fit okay. Let's find out. You can usually go down half a size and up half a size. So we're gonna find out if that works out. On the tongue, both sides, and then big color change between the two. Look at that. Very much a winter style shoe. If you're thinking about the kind of outfits that you wear, these are the colors that work, that are very popular around this time of year. Works with a lot of jackets and wool, that kind of thing. I just found a little Easter egg here on the back of the heel tab. It says textile multi HO21, so that's holiday 2021, AJ3SP-0001. That's on the right shoe, and on the left shoe, there's something here. Yep. It says Air Jordan 3 Special Project. So it's a special project, Air Jordan 3, with kind of a different paneling. They change up some paneling, very similar to the way that they changed them up on the Union 4s. Or maybe they wanted to have an extra panel so that they could have some extra material, some extra sewing here. And then this entire section doesn't exist on a regular Jordan 3. Usually this is just one panel cut over there. For this one, they put in this extra panel to just have a different color, I guess, and then slice it there. And because I guess there's no other leather on this sneaker, they decided to go all out with the very nice nappy suede leather here on the some on the toe guard, some in the toe area, toe box area, and then some over here, kind of where that heel counter is. I'm gonna put them on right now and find out whether or not they fit true to size. So on foot, they do fit loose, but that's because they are half a size up. I would recommend, based on the pair that I have here today, that you do go true to size if you intend to pick up this sneaker, especially if you're ordering it online. That's something that you should know. Of course, if you have the opportunity to try on the pair of shoes before you buy it, before ordering it online, that is always the best idea. You know, having the opportunity to have a new colorway, like a new informed by the current trends, the current standards, with a classic, with a retro sneaker, really opens up new possibilities for personal expression. That's one of the things that I like about Camo is, growing up, it was kind of iconic of a little bit of like post grunge rock, like that rap rock era of Linkin Park and POD. I listened to a lot of those guys coming up when I was a teenager, and this fits very much in that aesthetic. And as much as I like hype and I enjoy hype, I should say, and I enjoy things that are trendy, finding new standards and finding opportunities to be unique and express yourselves, we don't want to lose that. And that's one of the things I really like about this pair and about Jordan Manila in general, and the opportunity to have customization and little ways to make sneakers your own. I remember growing up, there was a standard that the laces were supposed to match the tongue, and now, expressing yourself, picking the ones that work best for you, that really is the way, that really is the thing. Ironically enough, like DIY and Camo, kind of finding your own voice inside of a community where you guys can all agree on something, I guess. I did get a PDF that came in about the seeding pack, and it says, Air Jordan 3 Camo Mechanics, random pairs will find a golden ticket in their shoebox. So you try to buy the sneaker, you try to cop the sneaker, and then after you cop it, random pairs that are sold in Metro Manila will find a golden ticket inside of the shoebox. Winners will get an invite to attend early exclusive access to the anniversary event on December 3, 2021. So December 3, because the anniversary event that we're going to is on December 4. So you guys, if you win the golden ticket, you'll actually be in ahead of us. And access to many member services and goodies, and access to 3 releases of your choice in the month of December. Wow. So, all right. So you cop a pair of the camos, the Jordan 3 Camo, and you get an opportunity to go to the event, buy things that are only available at the event, and then you'll also get the chance to access 3 other releases of your choice within the month of December. So we got a lot of cool stuff coming out in December. I don't know if these will all be available, but if you think about Jordan sneakers coming out in December, gosh, you have the Bread Jordan 1 in patent leather. You have the Cool Gray 11s. Wow. All right, so these sneakers come out over the weekend. This is the Air Jordan 3 Camo. Comes with a bunch of stuff like this. I really don't know where these are supposed to stick on the sneaker. Maybe on the laces. It's kind of biting on the laces. Or maybe it's supposed to stick on a shirt somewhere. And if you do get that golden ticket, you do get access to 3 other launches throughout the month of December. Now that's really exciting. Apparently there are going to be some exclusives over there. And I don't know if you remember when they launched the Jordan Manila store a year ago. There were a lot of sneakers there that you could really only get there. That's where I got my Union Jordan 4s. Unfortunately, I couldn't make it to that event. I got COVID, to be honest, so I didn't get to go to that event. But I was lucky enough to get a pair, and Jordan Manila has been really cool for Manila, because we've been able to get access to a lot of pairs that before maybe we weren't able to. I managed to get my cloth Jordan 14s there. The Sashiko we got over there. Did we get the Fire Red there? It's one of the cool things is that you can walk into the store and get things that you've been wanting for a long time, or things that you're not able to get in other stores. And of course, kind of the retail experience at Jordan Manila has really brought retail in the Philippines to another level. The way that they use art and customization has really shined in Jordan Manila. And you also see other retailers kind of level up in response to the new standard that Jordan Manila has set here in the Philippines. And I think most people would agree with that. And that is a good thing, especially more than anything, the access that we get here in Manila. Again, the only Jordan store in Southeast Asia. And that gets us access to things like cloth collaborations and union collaborations. So those are the dates to remember. This comes out this weekend on November 27 to 28, and get an opportunity to come to that Jordan Manila first year anniversary event. Congratulations to all of the team over at Jordan Manila, the people who operate and run it, Nike Philippines, and of course, Jordan Brand. Thank you so much for sending this over. Wish you guys good luck. Wish you guys good health. Peace.